What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to really get fast new hair in Roblox. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open here Discover. You will see here Marketplace. Just click this. You will see here much stuff. All what you need to do to search free stuff, just go here and type here 0. And click here go, and you will see all the free stuff that you can get on your Roblox account, like your face, like blue hair, like hoodie, like sweats, and much free things are here. What we do now, we search for hairs. You have this hair, search the hair what you want. You have this hair, you have much free stuff. When you find your hair what you want, click on it and you will see here buy. Click this buy and get now. And you will see message you have successfully bought orange bunny with black hair. Click here customize and check your free hair. And you will see guys, I got the free hair. Go back and you will see another hair. Click this. Just go here on buy and get now. Customize your new hair and select it like me and you will get a new hair. I leave you this link in description of video to get you fast hairs. As you can see guys, I have a new hair. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.